world is silent. The world is silent. The air still, the light soft, and you are here between darkness and dawn, between who you were and who you can become. The alarm breaks the silence, your eyes open, and for a brief moment before thought returns, before the noise begins, you stand at the edge of decision. This is where the day is won or lost, not in the meetings, not in the noise, but right here, in the stillness before action. Marcus Aurelius faced the same battle every morning. He was emperor of Rome, a philosopher, a man who commanded legions, and yet he faced the same resistance. You do the pull of comfort, the whisper of the bed saying, "Stay a little longer." But he knew comfort is the slow death of greatness. He knew that if you cannot win the first battle of the day, the rest will follow in defeat. So rise, because you were not born to hide from effort. You were born to meet it head-on. Stoicism teaches us that the world will not bend to your will, but your mind can be trained to bend toward strength. You cannot control the weather, the economy, or the people who test your patience, but you can control your response, your focus, your discipline, and that is all the power you will ever need every morning. When you open your eyes, you are given a weapon and a choice. The weapon is your mind. The choice is how you will use it. Will it be your ally or your captor, your tool or your master? Most people hand their mind away before breakfast. They let the world decide how they feel, a message, a headline, a number on a screen, and suddenly their peace is gone, their purpose forgotten. The Stoic does not let the world steal his morning. He claims it with intention, with awareness, with strength. This is your reminder: you cannot control what happens, but you can always control how you respond. That is real freedom. Epictetus, who was born a slave, said no. Man is free who is not master of himself. Freedom is not doing whatever you want, whenever you want. That is chaos. Real freedom is having the power to do what must be done, even when it is hard, even when it is uncomfortable. Real freedom is self-command. So ask yourself this morning, who commands your mind? You or your emotions? You or your fear? You or your excuses? Stoicism is not about suppressing feeling. It is about transforming feeling into fuel. It is not about being cold. It is about being clear when anger rises. The Stoic breathes when fear whispers. The Stoic moves when doubt grows. The Stoic acts, not because he feels no fear, but because he refuses to be ruled by it. You will feel the weight of the world at times. You will feel the noise pressing in. You will feel the temptation to escape into distraction. And in those moments, remember the morning. Remember that clarity is not found in comfort. It is found in presence. Each sunrise is a rehearsal for life itself. How you meet it is how you live. Do not meet it with resistance. Meet it with readiness. The Stoics called this premeditation of adversity, to expect challenges, not fear them, to prepare your mind before the day begins, to say to yourself, today I will meet frustration and delay and disappointment, but none of it can touch my peace, because my peace belongs to me. This is what separates those who drift from those who direct their lives. The day belongs to whoever takes it first. When you wake, do not reach for your phone. Reach for your focus. Breathe. Sit up. Feel your body. Remind yourself that this moment will never come again. This is not a rehearsal. This is your life, and you are alive now. Seneca said, "It is not that life is short. It is that we waste much of it." Stop wasting it on hesitation. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting to feel ready. Because ready is a lie. The warrior does not wait. He acts. The mind follows the motion, not the other way around. You will never think your way into greatness. You will act your way into it. Start with something small. Make your bed, drink water, write one line, do one push-up. It does not matter what it is, only that you start. Every action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. Most people vote for comfort without realizing it. They hit snooze, they scroll, they complain, and their day is gone. But you will be different, because you understand that greatness is built not in bursts, but in repetition. Discipline is the foundation of peace, and peace is the foundation of power. When you control your habits, you control your destiny. Marcus wrote that you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This strength is not loud. It does not shout. It does not seek approval. It is silent, steady, unbreakable. It is the calm that remains when the world shakes. That is what you are building each morning. Not a perfect day, but an unshakable mind. When you choose focus over noise, when you choose presence over distraction, when you choose movement over delay, you are training your mind to serve you, not enslave you. Focus is a rare currency in this world. Protect it, because whatever you give attention to grows. Do not spend your mind on what you cannot control. Invest it in what matters. When you catch yourself worrying, ask, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, release. This simple rule can save you from a lifetime of stress. Life is not happening to you, it is responding to you, and the quality of that response begins every morning. In the quiet choices you make, in the unseen discipline you practice. The Stoic wakes with intention. He knows storms will come, but he does not fear them. He prepares for them, and because of that, he moves through them with grace. Most people seek calm after chaos. The Stoic builds calm before it begins. That is the difference. This morning is your chance to build it. Breathe deeply. Hold still for a moment. Watch your thoughts appear like clouds and pass. They are not commands. They are not truth. They are just thoughts. You decide which to follow. This is the discipline of ascent, a practice of choosing which ideas to accept and which to reject. Your mind is a fortress or a prison. You choose what enters its gates today. Do not let doubt and negativity walk in unchallenged. Stand guard at the door of your mind. Remember this, every thought you let in becomes a seed, and every seed grows. So plant wisely. You do not need to control everything. You just need to control yourself, and that is enough. The Stoics did not seek a life without struggle. They sought strength within it, because struggle sharpens character, adversity refines virtue, pain reveals power when the world pushes you. The Stoic leans into it when life feels unfair. The Stoic looks for the lesson, not the complaint. The truth is, life will always test you, but every test is a chance to practice strength, to prove to yourself that you are unbreakable. This is the philosophy of warriors, not dreamers. This is how you build a life of meaning, one morning at a time, one choice at a time, one act of discipline after another. You are not here to be comfortable. You are here to grow, to build, to rise. When you feel resistance, today know that it is your ally, not your enemy. It is the sign that you are moving in the right direction. Your comfort zone is where your potential dies. Step beyond it every single day, not with rage but with resolve. Because courage is quiet, it is the steady hand that keeps building when no one watches you. Do not need anyone to see your discipline. The reward is in the person you become. You will fail at times. You will fall short, but that too is part of the path. The Stoic does not curse the fall. He studies it, learns, and stands taller the next day. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress, to be better today than yesterday. Stronger, calmer, clearer. This is the work of a lifetime. This is the art of becoming. So, when the alarm sounds tomorrow, remember this moment. Remember that you have the power to shape your day before the world touches it. Do not hand that power away. Choose awareness over autopilot. Choose effort over ease. Choose purpose over comfort. This is what it means to live like a Stoic. Not to escape the world, but to meet it as it is and remain unshaken in its presence. You are not the storm. You are the calm within it. Today is yours, not by chance, but by choice. So rise, breathe, and take command of your mind, because the day will follow wherever your mind leads. Train it, guide it, and own it. Rise like a Stoic, and live with strength, clarity, and peace.